These are photos of compatible models. Please check if this fits your car's center console. If you run into any issues during installation, please get in touch with us through the ways mentioned above. We will assist you right away. Until the problem is fully resolved, we provide 3 sets of wiring harnesses. Please select the one that matches the ports of your vehicle. Should you have any questions, please email us at binizecarstereo@gmail.com or message us via WhatsApp 8,615,333,303,812. Our engineers will solve your problems in a timely manner. We will keep assisting you until you are fully satisfied. This is a 20-pin multi-function wiring harness. This is the fan power cable. It needs to be connected to the corresponding connector on the 20-pin harness. These two are USB connection cables. Connect this USB port to the corresponding connector of the original vehicle. This 10-pin connector is for the reverse camera, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna. Please plug it in. This is the power cable. Connect this to the CAN bus box. Connect this power cable to the car radio. This is the power cable for the CAN bus box. Connect it properly. This is the radio antenna. Now we are connecting the GPS signal antenna. This is the microphone. Please note that this microphone must be connected. Otherwise, you will not be able to use the microphone function. This is the reverse camera included with our product. Connect the red connector and black connector of the camera. This is the 5-meter video transmission and signal control cable. Connect the yellow connector of the camera to this yellow connector. Twist the 2 red wires together, then connect them to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Note: must be connected to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Do not connect it to the brake light by mistake. Connect this black wire to the negative terminal of the reverse light. Connect the yellow connector at the other end of this 5-meter video cable to the 10-pin reverse camera connector. This connector is the power, account and speaker wiring harness. Connect it to the original vehicle. If the original vehicle has a reverse camera function, plug in this wiring harness. If the original vehicle does not have a reverse camera function, plug in this wiring harness. If using the original vehicle's reverse camera, connect this yellow RCA to the RCA on the 10-pin connector. Remove the clips from the original vehicle. These are the removed clips. Remove the buttons from the original vehicle and install them onto the new device. Install these 2 parts. Install all the clips removed from the original vehicle onto the new device. Remove these buttons from the original vehicle and install them onto the new device. If the steering wheel or air conditioning fails to work after installation, please follow these steps to select the correct option for your car model.